Hello, crafty friends. So glad you are here for another Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show all of the creations that I have made for the week. This Saturday Showcase is shows creations from last Saturday, October 30th, 2021 through Friday, November 5th, 2021. Let's get started. My first card was for a Craft and Chemie challenge. I've lost, I think it had to be spooky. I've kind of lost my sheet on that. I had written down with a stamp set, but not what it was. So I chose the Craft and Chemie Which Way stamp set. How Fun Is She? Colored it up. There's that Bats and Moon stencil that I used in my Fun with Stencils video. I also added some Craft and Chemie dots. The die cuts behind her are all stamping up. As always, all the links to my blog posts are in the description box, and they have a lot more photos and details. And you can't really see probably, but it's actually a black glitter pin, but it shows up red for the glitter on her earrings and her little bat there. Just so fun. I really had a lot of fun with that card, and I think it turned out super, super fun. Next up was another Sweet November image from the last release, well, not the last, the release 2 weeks ago with these fun polar bears. This one is Yule, and this came from the Background Builders set, the little present. I've had these snowflakes in my stash for years, thought they would be fun. Added some stickles on top of those, and you might recognize the background from one of my clouds videos, stencil videos with Fun with Stencils. Added some die cuts for some interest, some sparkle, and he's just dreaming of that white Christmas. I don't know if you can see the sparkle there. I really like how that one turned out. So fun. Next up was another Craft and Chemie challenge. It was non-traditional holiday colors, Christmas colors. I went with one of my favorite color combos, which is orange and pink. And it turned out so cute. I actually might use those colors a little bit more often. Don't know if it shows up on the camera or not. I used a black Wink of Stella on her scissors so they kind of sparkle. Some Stampin' Up! Jewels, and the paper's also stamping up. The stamp set is Christmas is Love. That's super fun stamp set. Next, I have this card. I had so much fun with this card. This is from a digital stamp set from TLC Designs called Koala Kindness. It's meant to be an accessory stamp, but I enlarged it and made it the focal point. I actually printed this whole panel first, and I've Missed You So Much comes in that digital stamp set. And then this flower is actually printed on the paper too, and then I just copied it and printed it separate and then colored it fussy cut out. Added a circle of vellum and some pearls. The fun part for me about this card, I used Distress Oxide to kind of blend, and then I got a new shimmer spray, which I haven't used shimmer sprays for years. The last time I used them, it would get kind of clogged and it annoyed me, and so I was just like, forget it. But this new one, which I do have the blog post linked below, and you can go to my blog and see the name of it. I believe it was Imagine Sheer Frost Shimmer Spray. I don't know if the video can pick it up, but oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. It is just so shimmery, and I just can't stop looking at it. I love, love, love how this came out with the pop of color, the shimmer on there, and yeah. So sometimes if you use digital stamps, take a look at those little extra stamps. Sometimes you can use those on their own. And then my last two cards, I did a coloring video of these for these little buddy bears from Craft and Chemie stamps. I made these cards just because I had these extra frames from when I made this card, And they were there, and I'm like, oh, I want to use those right now. So that's what I did. Did some paper piecing on his little pillow there. And then I haven't done a shaker card forever, so I thought, why not do a shaker card? So, and I don't know about you, when I have a shaker card, I just want to shake it. So he says, it's time to relax. Super cute. Oh, and I did start again. Back up. I think it was on this one. I'm like, I haven't been doing the insides of my cards lately. So I started doing the insides of my cards. I used to always do this, then I got lazy. I always like to stamp an image just in the color that will match the cardstock and add some strips of pattern paper. I just think it finishes it off so nicely. So I did finish that one. And on these guys, I finished them as well. Again, just stamped that line image and then some pattern paper that coordinates. Shake, shake, shake. And then the last card for this week was also from that Buddy Bears. This little guy, he just makes me giggle. I paper pieced his little bow, his little patch, and the wagon. I did use an embossing folder behind there, your berry special. And I did finish off the inside with that one as well. So there are my cards from this week. I love that I am feeling so creative and that I'm making so many. It just makes me so happy. And I don't know, I love when the creative juices are kind of flowing. I don't know about you, but it just makes me happy. We do this for fun, so it shouldn't feel forced. So when I'm in the creative mood, I love to just get creative, which is what I've been doing. And I'm rambling again. I think I should call my channel Danni Rambles On. But thanks for bearing with me. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. It's so fun to start really making these videos. I still have a lot to learn, but it's fun to be able to talk about what you make instead of just typing it out. You can't really convey a lot, and especially like the shaker cards. You just can't get the fun when you just see a photo of that. So thanks for stopping by and watching. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell for notifications. Until next time, go do something for yourself. Go get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back, relax with your favorite beverage and watch your favorite show or read your favorite book. Until my next video, have an awesome day.